So I decided to pick the windiest day to film. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't know what happened. Alright, so today is a little bit of a different video. Obviously, you can tell by the thumbnail if you clicked here. This is what you came here for. This is the tea, or the water. So obviously I'm going to be ranking the Good & Gather sparkling waters. I have been on a journey to find good sparkling waters. I just want a simple 0-calorie drink, tastes kind of good. We have found that the Good & Gather brand is by far the best of all the brands out there. We've tried Good & Gather, we've tried Waterloo, we've tried Hiiii, we've tried Croix. I mean, we've tried them all pretty much. So this is the best of the best, and I'm about to rank the best of the best. At any point in the video, if you feel so inclined to like the video, then I encourage you to in fact like the video. I'd really appreciate it. Also, please subscribe for weekly videos. That's it. Getting into the waters, we've tried 7 of the 13 flavors, I believe, of the Good & Gather brand. A lot of them just simply aren't available in our area, and I think maybe have even been discontinued from the line altogether. So the ones we've tried are like the most current, what we have so far, what we've tried. Great. Let's start off with one that sounds so yummy, so delicious, but was kind of disappointing. Strawberry mango. So strawberry mango kind of has like a weird little undertaste to it. Obviously the first notes are like pretty mango forward, which I really enjoy, but kind of like the ending notes, for me at least, are more like a lip gloss taste, if that makes sense. It tastes like kind of plasticky in a weird way, and kind of like, should I be eating this? Is this edible? Are you sure? So obviously because of that, I'm ranking it at a solid F tier. I mean, it just isn't very good. It is a lot better than other brands. Like if I compared that to any LaCroix, like way better, obviously. It's just leaps and bounds above. But whenever we're talking about Good & Gather, like Good & Gather does better than that. So bottom of the barrel, not very good. It sounded really promising and it kind of was just underwhelming. Coconut pineapple. So coconut pineapple is pretty solid. It's not remarkable, but it's not terrible. I really like this one. We haven't bought it more than once, I think, so we just went through one case of it. It's pretty neutral. I guess we bought it twice. I take that back. We bought it twice. But it's pretty neutral to me. I don't find it to be like an overwhelming flavor of any kind, which is kind of what I'm looking for with a flavored water, but it's not bad. So because of that, I think it's pretty middle of the road. I would give it like a solid, like a C tier, I would guess. Like it's not bad, it's not good, it's just like middle. Next is the lime flavor. I think that the lime one is pretty good actually. I don't like citrus at all pretty much. No, I tolerate it, it's alright, but it's definitely not my favorite flavor, and this one was a pretty surprising flavor for me. There was a lot of flavor and it was really, really refreshing. By far the most refreshing of all of these, I would say. If you like just like a Sprite situation or like a lemon lime soda situation, I think you would really like the lime flavor, the sparkling water. I think because of that, I'll bump it up a little. I'll give it a B tier. It was better than I expected, but it still isn't my favorite flavor. Like I don't reach for that one over some of the other flavors. Next is the ginger peach. I don't like ginger like at all. Like at all. Like it doesn't taste good. Like if you like ginger, I think less of you actually. It's not a good flavor for me. Ginger peach. I had a conflict with that right away. I love peach. Peach is my favorite flavor. I like peach Hiiii. I like other peach sparkling waters. Like that's my go-to flavor. If I don't know what to get, I'll get peach. But with ginger, it was pretty underwhelming. Like the whole thing was just like not what I was wanting. So I think because of that, that has to be pretty down in the rankings. Maybe like a D tier, I would say. It's just like, why'd you put ginger in there? Like nobody asked for her. Like it's like ginger just isn't good, okay? So next is mixed berry. Oh my God. Mixed berry holds a special place in my heart, quite honestly. I think that one is so good, so surprising. It tastes basically like candy. If you don't like sweet stuff, like you're not gonna like mixed berry. It's so flavorful. Like this one was kind of surprising. I think most people would confuse this for like an actual soda. So Mixed berry is just solid, just a go-to. Like if you don't like sparkling water, which I should say, I never really have been into sparkling water in any capacity until really this past year, but mixed berry, it hits different, okay? Because of that, I would give it a solid A tier. For sure, easy A tier. So next, tropical cherry. This one was actually pretty surprising as well. I think it's good. I don't think it's bad, but I don't think it's as flavorful as some of the top ones, like mixed berry. Tropical cherry really could have gone wrong in a lot of different ways, mostly because cherry is a medicine flavor. Like grape is a medicine flavor, cherry is a medicine flavor. Like it's just already set up for failure, right? But surprisingly, it's like really pleasant. It's a really pleasant tropical cherry flavor. I think that there's like lime and possibly lemon flavoring in there as well, which really cuts the taste of the cherry kind of in half. And by doing so, it really kind of dulls the flavor overall. Like there's like competing sweet versus sour, and it's kind of just somewhere in the middle. So it's not crazy flavorful. It's not crazy underwhelming. It's just like a crisp, kind of sweet, kind of sour in between sparkling water. I really like it, but not as much as some of the other ones. So again, it's kind of middle of the road, kind of like coconut pineapple. It's just like so-so, you know? You know what? I think I'd put it below the lime, but above coconut pineapple. So whatever I put coconut pineapple at, I'll just move it one up, okay? I don't know. Is that even, did I say B and C? Because I don't know. Whatever. It's either B tier or C tier. Let's just put it in between. And the best for last, obviously, is the raspberry hibiscus. I think this is a fairly new flavor from them. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't have any information backing this up whatsoever. I just saw it recently and I didn't see it before. So raspberry hibiscus, it's really up there with the mixed berry. I think both of them have pretty raspberry forward flavors, which is just like a really perfect, strong, tart, sweet. It's a flavor. It's a good flavor. I love this one. I was shook by this one. This one snatched my wig, as they would say. I think it's the best, but it's honestly pretty comparable to mixed berry. I think if I did a blind taste test between the two, I don't know if I'd be able to tell the difference, quite honestly. But I think maybe the raspberry hibiscus has just a little more flavor behind it than the mixed berry one, which for a water, if you're able to pack such a punch in a water that's 0 calories and doesn't have like any weird sweeteners in it, like, I don't know what I was gonna say. Where was I even going with that? I think that raspberry hibiscus is really what other sparkling waters aim to be. It's just such a good, flavorful water that just hits. It just hits, you know? So because of that, I'm placing that at the toppest tier, the tippity toppest, S tier. And I guess that's everything. This is probably gonna be a super short video. Let me know if you like these shorter, kind of random videos, because, you know, I mess around with short videos sometimes. Sometimes I'm just feeling them. I have information that you would like to have, and I'm here to share it, okay? If you've tried any of these flavors and can confirm that Good and Gather is bussin', comment down below and let me know which flavor's your favorite and if there's any other sparkling waters you think I should try. Other than that, I got nothing else. Subscribe for weekly videos, like this video if you like the video, and I will see you at the same time, the same place next week. Bye!